Welcome back to Sanskrit class. Children, we have already studied Ukaranta Namani some days before. Now we will study Rukaranta Namani given on page 19. Rukaranta Namani means nouns which end in vowel Ru. First we can see Sambandha Vachakani words are given. First column is Pullingam. Then next column is Strilingam. Here these Sambandha Vachakani words show relationship, the words which are related to relations. First word is Pitru. It is ending in Ru. This is a masculine word. It means father. Next is Bhratru. It means brother. Devru means younger brother of husband is called as Devru. All these words are ending in Ru. Jamatru means son-in-law. Then next column is Strilingam, means these words are feminine of feminine gender. First word is Matru, it means mother. Duhitru is daughter. Then Yatru means wife of brother-in-law. And just now we have seen Devru. Devru means younger brother of husband. And Yatru means Devuhu Patni, wife of brother-in-law. Uh, Next is Nanadru. It means sister-in-law or husband's sister. Nru means Manushyaha, Manavaha, Naraha or human being or a man. Then in the A section, you can see Dhatutaha Nirmitani is written over there. This means these words are made from roots. First word is Kartru. Kartru means Karta, subject or doer. Netru is leader. Hartru means abductor. Shrotru is listener. Yodhru is fighter. Then on the right hand side, Datru is given. Datru is donor. Netru is leader. Vidhatru is creator. Abhinetru is actor. Bodhru means who has gained knowledge. Then below that, some words are given. Savitru is masculine word ending in ru. It means sun, the sun. Swasru is feminine word ending in ru. It means sister. Then Naptru is masculine word. It means grandson. Now we will see the declension of type A, means those nouns which are ending in ru, like Pitru or Matru. They are ending in ru. Students, I will read this table for you, and in this way you have to say it daily and learn it by heart. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha Prathama. Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun Dvitiya. Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi Tritiya. Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah Chaturthi. Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah Panchami. Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam Shashti. Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu Saptami. हे पितर, हे पितः, हे पितरौ, हे पितरः संबोधनम. माता मातरौ मातरः प्रथमा मातरं मातरौ मातृः द्वितीया मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः तृतीया मात्रे मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः चतुर्थी मातुः मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः पञ्चमी मातुः मात्रोः मातॄणां षष्ठी मातरि मात्रोः मातृषु सप्तमी हे मातर हे मातः हे मातरौ हे मातरः संबोधनम्. Now, next is our section. All these words given here are made from roots. First column is of dhatuhu, means which root is taken here. Then from that root, which noun has been prepared. Then the meaning of that noun. Then their gender and Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam is given. And in the last column, Strilingi Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam is given. First we will see first column. Here dhatu is kru. Then from that kru dhatu, kartru noun has been prepared. Kartru means yah karoti. One who does is called as kartru. Subject or the doer is called as kartru. Pullingi prathama ekvachanam is karta. And strilingi prathama ekvachanam is kartri. Second is ru. Ru is dhatu. From that dhatu, hartru noun has been prepared. Yah harati, who takes away anything forcibly, is hartru. One who abducts. The abductor is called as hartru. Yah harati, sah hartruhu. Pullingi prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is harta. And strilingi prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is hartri. Next is ninaya. From this dhatu, netru noun has been prepared. Yah nayati, one who leads, is called as netru. Prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is neta. And strilingi prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is netri. Next root is raksha. From that root, rakshitru noun has been prepared. Yah rakshati, who protects, is called as rakshitru. Prathama vibhakti is rakshita and rakshitri is feminine. Shru means to listen. From that shru, shrotru noun has been prepared and yah shrunoti, one who listens, is called as shrotru. Prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is shrota and strilingi prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is shrotri. Now, how these words will be declined, that has been given to you. Prathama, Dvitiya and Sambodhanam is given to you. And from Tritiya Vibhakti up to Saptami Vibhakti, all the words will be like Pitru. Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti and Sambodhanam is given. And from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards up to Sashti Vibhakti, all the words will be like the table of Pitru. Now we will see words of A section. अप्रकारकाणां स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दानां रूपाणि नदीवत् भवन्ति. Now these words will follow the table of Nadi because they are feminine in gender. Here Prathama, Dvitiya and Sambodhanam are given. And Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, they will be declined like the table of Nadi. Now we will see exercise. रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत्. गणेशस्य कुटुम्बकम्. शङ्करः गणेशस्य dash. Pitru is given to you. Just now we have seen that Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam will be Pita Answer will be Shankarah Ganeshasya Pita. Shankar is father of Lord Ganesha. Lord Shankar is father of Lord Ganesha. The next sentence is Parvati Ganeshasya dash, and the word is Matru. Parvati Ganeshasya Mata. Parvati is, goddess Parvati is mother of Lord Ganesha. Kartikeyah Ganeshasya dash. Bhratru word is given. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam will be Bhrata. Answer will be Kartikeyah Ganeshasya Bhrata. Kartikeya is brother of Lord Ganesha. Now in fourth sentence, there two dash have been given here. Dash Parvatyaha Adesham Etau dash Palayatah. Here, order of Mother Parvati is followed by these two brothers is the meaning of this sentence. Order of Mother Parvati. Children, whenever we use of, at that time we have to consider Sashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam in Sanskrit. Sashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Matru word will be Matuhu. So answer will be Matuhu Parvatyaha Adesham Etau. Etau indicates they are two in number. So the form will be Bhratarau Palayataha. Answer is Matuhu Parvatyaha Adesham Etau Bhratarau Palayataha. Meaning will be order of Mother Parvati is followed by these two brothers. Last sentence is Mata Mahasya Himalayasya Etau Adarshau dash. By looking at the pronoun Etau, you can understand that they are two in number. Answer will be Naptarau. And the meaning of this sentence will be these are ideal grandsons of grandfather Himalaya. Matamahasya Himalayasya Etau Adarshau Naptarau. Children, write down exercise of lesson number 3 and this exercise also in your classwork copy and learn table of Pitru, Matru properly. Thank you.